Good day, I'm RETSAIRINE BLANCO. For today, I will present to you our research entitled Assessment on DEMSKI'S Model in House Construction Planning. According to DEMSKI in 2022, construction pre-planning takes place before the project begins. This service involves dividing the project, identifying potential problems, planning, scheduling, the scope of the project, cost estimates, and analyzing what is needed for each job. In 2021, JRD also stated that construction planning identifies all activities required for a project, divides them into smaller activities, and arranges them logically, hence determining the required machinery, labor, and materials. A construction plan refers to a set of documents prepared during construction planning. These are the resources, activities, schedule, and budget. This study aimed to ascertain the following issues among the primary and specific issues. 1. To identify the typical preliminary planning techniques used by citizens. 2. To determine the factors affecting the application of a preliminary planning and outcome of constructed houses. 3. To be aware of the citizens' understanding about the importance of preliminary planning in constructing a house. And lastly, number 4. To determine the significance between preliminary planning to a structure of the house built by the owners. The study will be beneficial to the house owners who can gain from this by contributing their opinions about preliminary planning. It will help them to construct their house properly and appropriately. And for future house owners, they can also benefit in this by being aware that the contribution of preliminary planning, it will help them to achieve their desired houses. Third, this study will also contribute other researchers who wanted to have further knowledge about the topic. It will help them to widen their knowledge about this research. Lastly, it also helps house renters by being aware that the house they rented has a proper planning before constructing. It will help them secure their living. The study is conducted in selected barangays in Bayugan City and Busan del Sur. These selected areas are Bucac, Poblacion, Magitasan, and Gamao. The study used a correlation method to determine how Bayugan citizens perceive about DEMSKI'S method for planning and constructing houses. The research used a descriptive correlation study design to collect data from respondents. In data gathering, the researchers used random sample technique. The sample comprised of 120 house owners from the population who are chosen to participate in the study. A 30-item self-administered survey questionnaire will be used as a primary tool for data gathering and will be given in person. Based on the results that were gathered, the study aimed to assess the effectiveness on DEMSKI'S model in optimizing house construction, planning, and its impact on project efficiency, cost effectiveness, quality assurance, and stakeholder satisfaction. Most of the participants have the knowledge and understanding to take preliminary planning into consideration when building their houses. Instead of obtaining the assistance of qualified architects and engineers, most of house owners chose to hire local homebuilders to build their homes. Majority of them claimed that their budget was a factor that prevented them from doing proper preliminary preparation and that planning was their first technique. The participants performed preliminary planning and were aware of the surroundings before building their house. All participants have abundant knowledge and understanding of how important, beneficial, and convenient the preliminary planning is. They are fully aware of how preliminary can help house owners, especially for their residents. By exploring DEMSKI'S model, the study aimed to shed light on the benefits and challenges associated with the pre-planning phase. The findings of this research emphasize that construction pre-planning plays a crucial role in minimizing risks, improving project outcomes, and enhancing overall efficiency. It helps stakeholders to spot possible problems early on and fix them, which reduces cost, ensures schedule adherence, and improves quality. Before we end, we want to express our gratitude for letting us participate in this event and hope that this presentation has helped you understand our research much better. Thank you.